Manipur Police Housing Corporation Limited Nasaba Indian Institute of Information Technology IIIT Senapati gi nauna saba additional classroom ama Manipur gi Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na sangakrai numit nini chupna chathagadaba Indian Knowledge System IKS in Higher Education gi matangda National Conference ngasidagi hogdokrai Thoramaduda Manipur Police Housing Corporation Limited ki MD C Dongal IIIT Senapati Board of Governors ki Chairman Professor Sukhi Orun IIIT Senapati Manipur ki Director Professor Krishnan Vaskar Yauna Sedasi ki Masak Naiba Academician IIIT Senapati Manipur ki Professor Staff Amadi Mairoi Kyana Sarukya ki Tungda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na IIIT Senapati Manipur Amadi Vidya Varati Ucha Siksha Sangsthan Manipur State Kapuna Sinduna Naminini Chathagadaba Indian Knowledge System in Higher Education Matangda National Conference of Doki IIIT Senapati Manipur gi Swami Vivekananda Auditorium Hall da Conference of Dokpaki Thoramga Mari Lainana Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na haikibada IIIT Senapati Manipur gi Anauba Matamga Chunaba Classroom ama hapchilakpa asina Institute asida lairiba mahiroi singda hena kanaba ama oiragani Institute asida laiba asigi tongan state tara nipan dagi lakpa mahiroi singbu takpi tambiduna laiba asigi mapung fava yumbi ama oinaba sem sagaliba asima pukning thogatningai ni Institute asana mamangda mahiroi chani rom tamak lairambadagi ngasi mahiroi chatrat ka yangkhaina enroll tawba ngamba simak Institute asigi oza singi amadi management gi achoba thongdang ni haina thagatki
Integration of Indian knowledge systems into higher education holds immense potential for fostering a more inclusive, culturally rooted and innovative educational landscape in India. The beginning is made here. Manipur has a treasure mine of indigenous knowledge and practices. The state is renowned for its traditional weaving techniques, producing exquisite hand-woven fabric that showcase the craftsmanship, artistic heritage of its people. Art of organic farming has been preserved for generations, ensuring sustainable agriculture and healthy food habits. Some of the things are being grown here which was seen as food coming from foreign countries only. Fishing practices in the Loktak Lake of Manipur reflect a very deep understanding of the local ecology and sustaining livelihoods, whereas it maintains environmental balance also.